معیاری تعلیم کے فروغ اور نوجوانوں کی تعلیمی قابلیت کو نکھارنے کے لیے نجی درسگاہ ڈیلٹا کا کلیدی کردار ہے۔ بلوچستان کے شہر تربت میں تعلیمی میدان میں سرگرم تعلیمی اداروں ڈائنامک انگلش لینگویج ٹیچنگ اکیڈمی ڈیلٹا دی چینج ایجنٹ تربت کے زیر اہتمام بگنرز گروپس کا شاندار پروگرام کا انعقاد ہوا۔ پروگرام میں اسٹوڈنٹس نے تلاوت قرآن پاک، نعت، انگریزی تقاریر، بلوچی مزاحیہ شاعری اور ڈبنگ اردو ڈرامہ، اس کے علاوہ بلوچی گانے، بلوچی ڈرامہ اور بلوچی دو چاپی پیش کیے۔ ڈیلٹا کے دونوں اوقات کے پروگرام میں طلباء و طالبات نے بڑی تعداد میں شرکت کی۔ پروگرام میں اسٹوڈنٹس نے اپنے بے باک تعلیمی فن کا مظاہرہ کرتے ہوئے سوشل میڈیا اور اس کا منفی اثر، سوشل میڈیا اینڈ اٹس نیگیٹو امپیکٹ کے عنوان پر تقاریر پیش کرتے ہوئے کہا:
Social media and its negative impacts on students' career. To shed light on social media, it seems quite obvious that it has been distracting students from study and paying attention towards reading books, which are the most significant aspect in their lives. Honorable judges, it refers them to concentrate on important activities and make them engage in watching unwanted things, which is completely a wastage of time. It always keeps them busy spending hours on it, which affect academic performance. On other side, cyberbullying is another obstacle that is taking place in social media. Many students are being victim of it, which lead them into depression, anxiety, and even suicide. This issue is rapidly exceeding major effects on students' career. To conclude it with few words, I want to add that students have to avoid getting involved in social media and only suffer when they need related things on it. They should focus on their careers and get engaged in reading books and other beneficial activities.
Social media and its negative impacts on the students' career. Dear audience, a large number of young generation hold smartphone and take social media account on the social media, and also they are using social media in their daily life. So, have you ever thought how it is harmful for the students and their career? Social media is useful for those students who use the social media as a learning source or for collecting any kind of data or any information. But on the other hand, social media is negative impact too. Social media has become an essential part of the students' lives, but also has negative impact. So, it depends on the student how they use it, in a purposeful way or in a purposeless way. If we talk about the negative impact of the social media, with the help of social media, students do share answers in the time of exam or any assignment or task given by the teacher. With the help of social media, they are doing. So, this kind of act of the social media can have negative impact on the students' career. Students should be educated and must know the positive usage of the social media. And also, teachers are responsible for this. They should guide the student for the positive usage of the social media.
اس موقع پر ڈیلٹا کے ڈائریکٹر بختیار پھولان، ڈپٹی ڈائریکٹر شکیل پھولان، اساتذہ وقار عباس، شمیم خدا بخش، راشد علی اور دیگر ٹیچرز موجود تھے۔